Hi, I'm Sam. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be showing you some Coco and Eve tanning products that I just used a couple of days ago. I also wanted to say thank you to Coco and Eve for sending me these products over to try. And I did just want to let you all know before this video starts that I am pretty much a newbie when it comes to applying self-tan. So it's probably not going to be perfect, but at least it's going to be realistic for what anyone can achieve on their own at home. Of course, this is kind of like a sneak preview of what it's looking like, but I will have some full body shots at the end of the video, and I'm also going to walk you through the tanning process itself. Without further ado, let's get into that. Time to try out this self-tanner. I actually have two different kinds, Bali Bronzing Foam, the bronzing face drops, and so I'm gonna be trying both of these out today, see how it works. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit afraid of bronzing foam. This product actually has like a gray-green undertone to it so that you are not supposed to come out super orange, but I guess we will see how that goes. The other two things that I have are just for the application of the product, and if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I have never used one of these before and I always have ended up with orange hands because of it. This is actually designed to give you like an even tan, even in like harder to reach areas. For these face bronzing drops, you are just supposed to shake it really well, and then like most other drop type products that are self-tanning, you're just gonna go ahead and mix this in with your moisturizer. You're supposed to use about 2 or 3 drops of this stuff. This one smells kind of like sunscreen. It's a little bit more tropical. Just gonna quickly wash my hands and then I'm going to get started on the rest of it. So I'm gonna start off using the mitt. So that looks dark.
Apply using a self-tanning mitt in circular motions.
You can already see, obviously, that this arm has been tanned. You can definitely see where you're putting it. And I do feel like having this mitt, as dirty and sad as it is now, having this mitt is hopefully gonna just really protect my hands so that they don't look crazy for once when I'm done. Kind of nervous about how this is gonna end up looking. I'm just gonna keep going, but I will be back and let you all know how it looks at the end. So the tan is all applied now. I'm feeling a little sticky. I think that's normal for tan. Obviously the mitt now has seen better days, but I think it was pretty effective at actually applying the tan. The only thing that I'm concerned about here is just that I might have gotten it a little bit unevenly some places. I feel like my neck and a couple of other areas like might end up a little bit patchy. All I have left to do now are my hands and my feet, so I'm gonna use this little tiny brush and hopefully it means that they won't turn ridiculously orange like they normally do. It's said to just apply it straight to the brush. Hopefully that's not too much. I feel like I put too much on. I don't think this is going to end well. So I'm officially all tanned up. I apologize, this is kind of a weird angle, but I'm now going to wait a couple of hours for this to develop. We're gonna be back in 2 hours and then I will let you know how it goes from there. I thought it was fairly foolproof. I feel like it's pretty clear from the video that I had no idea what I was doing at all. So, you know, keeping that in mind, I think that I did a pretty good job. It is even, you know, all over my whole body. I feel like that part I'm very happy with, and I liked the brush and I liked using the tanning mitt. You know, my palms are not bright orange as they have been in the past. That being said, I definitely used too much self-tanner on my hands and on my feet, and that was just pure user error. It said to use like a pea-sized amount on the top of your hands, and I used like 2 pumps. So I can definitely see why my hands are a little bit darker, and I'm sure that that's something the next time around that I use this product I will do better at. I also actually found the smell to be less invasive and less of that like gross tanning smell than what I have ever experienced before. With this product, I decided to go with the color medium, which is actually the lightest color that they offer. I'm a Canadian, it's winter time, I haven't been able to go on vacation. If you're looking to use a new tanning product, and particularly if you are a beginner with tan like I am, I definitely would recommend Coco and Eve. I thought that it was very user-friendly, and that's something that's really important. Obviously, you don't want to end up just like a splotchy mess completely after you use something. Well, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video and sticking it out with me here until the end. Right now, as I'm filming this video, I am just below 500 subscribers, and I would really love to get there soon. When I started this channel, you know, I had a handful of subscribers to begin, and I have seen obviously small and steady and slow growth over the past like 10 months or so, but I really, you know, do appreciate and see every single person who subscribes to this channel. So just want to give you a huge thank you for doing that and making me in a position now where I can collaborate with brands like Coco and Eve and bring you even more content. So if there is anything in particular that you'd like to see me cover next, feel free to leave me a comment down below, or if you have any questions, you can leave that there as well. See you soon. Bye!